Welcome back to the channel. We are at Cedar Lake, just 30 minutes from the Twin Cities. We're here with BSF and we're here to recover an ice house.
Oh! Okay.
No, you need a winch.
It's deep in there. It would help if the lockers were working. They're broken. He just hit the horn. You know how many times I've done that? That's good. Alright, how deep was that? That sounded like you went boom!
Shit was in there deep.
Yeah.
Shoot deep. Went right through both sides.
I need a wheel.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, literally imprint of it.
That formed perfectly.
Oh,
Yeah.
Crazy.
Oh, yeah, you'll go right through.
He just wanted to give
I
us
needed
some
us to have
fun.
something to do, yeah.
Solid?
Somebody's went through recently, though.
yeah.
Yeah.
But you never know where it might be thinner than that. Yep, there's about 14 inches of ice there. We should be safe as long as we don't park too many vehicles too close together.
Well, this is 14 inches. Hey, it totally didn't look like it, did it?
And that's not man inches. Yeah. That'd be 30 man inches.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Did we
by the
measure
mark.
over here?
Yeah.
Okay. I have one
Was that
shot.
3 over here? Yeah, it looks like a tire, right? Rubber?
Duramax, that's for sure.
Hey, you got new cab mounts.
Lumber wagon. Yeah, I just put new cab mounts on.
Oh, yeah? Well, they were new.
Yeah. Yeah, right?
Ice fishing check. I'm gonna try and get it off of the lake.
Free. Stay close. Are we wheeling yet?
Not yet, but we're working on it.
That's what the sea does. So the more water that sits on top of the ice will get thinner and bow down.
Oh, there she goes. Pops right up. To break this piece of rope loose, Eric had told me.
Did you drop the pin or?
Dad, what's that?
Did you drop a pin? Drop the pin, or was it laying here? And
No, I dropped it someplace.
I didn't see nothing on the snow when I was moving it. Oh, right here.
Up.
Yay! Winner, winner.
There we go. All right.
Yep,
How does that go in?
it's for the other side.
Oh, that's right. You put the one in that side. Okay. All right, come on back and swing passenger side a little bit. Straight back. Okay, hold it. God, I gotta come up a little. Oh, that's max.
All right.
Is that a
Everybody stand on the
2-inch?
tailgate.
This thing is
Okay,
really,
straight back, Blake. About a foot. Hold it.
Up.
Perfect.
We may have bumped a few trailers on once or twice in our life.
pull ahead just a little bit.
Pull ahead a little bit. Just let it roll.
There we go.
Perfect, babe.
Much easier than I thought, but the sun was right in my eyes, so I couldn't see anything.
Well, it started it. You ready?
We're all hooked up and we're ready to head out, I guess. Hopefully we can get out without getting stuck in the slush.
I would have been in trouble without you guys. Never would have got it out.
Here he comes. Yeah, hook them both.
So we have a YouTube channel called BSF Recovery. We'll have to look it up after this, huh?
Even when you're doing just a straight pull, they'll stretch out like a rubber band.
It has like 1% of stretch, and they said it has 38%.
Yeah. Oh, I know on the Yankum ones here, the first couple tugs you do with them is a little bit harsh. You actually got to break them in.
Maybe that's what it is, Troy. I don't know. It's possible. Mine's never been that way.
Trust the black strap. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
That was easy.
Well, we got it off of the ice, and we'll set it down here, and then he can come get it with his own vehicle. I know which one you're talking about.
On Toby?
We'll put some air back in the tires now because we got a ways to drive home.
Oh my God, Andy, that thing looked like a big chunk of dirt.
Maybe just a little more. Right there. Hi, Burgers.
And I can put that back on the record so it'll match the cartoon again.
Oh, sweet. That's cool.
Thanks a lot, guys, everybody.
Yeah.
appreciate it so
No
much.
problem.
I'm going to see if I can get her home.
Okay.